Here on my island, the sea says hello. Dolphins are waving wherever I go. There's a song on the breeze and a home in the trees. Friends I can talk with whenever I please.
Here on my island, the playgrounds are great. Slide every slide.
And you don't have to wait. There's so much to be seen.
From our new trampoline.
Finding adventures our daily routine.
Birds and bananas and comfy cabanas.
And shell-covered vases to fill.
Coconut glasses
And mint with molasses.
and pineapple patties to grill.
Here on my island, there's nothing but fun.
Vines you can swing from. A nap in the sun.
There are mud pies to make.
There are branches to shake.
Treasures await any road that you take. I'll take the high path.
And I'll take the low path. And I'll take the path through the sky.
I'll jump the river.
I'll climb the mountain.
And I'll stay here, guarding the pie.
Hanging together, we work as a team, and the magic extends for a family of friends. Here on our island, the fun never ends. Where is the land I come from? Who lives where I was born? Why do my memories start with a storm? What if I have a family somewhere beyond the sea? Could there be someone there missing me? Tell me why I'm not sleeping and my heart is leaping inside me. Could this be one of those times when your feelings decide? Why does he look through circles? Why does he hide his feet? Why do I feel so shy when we meet? Is this the tree he sleeps in? What can he see from there? Could there be new horizons to share? All these questions keep turning and churning and burning inside me. What are these feelings I feel when he's here by my side? I need to know these answers. I need to find my way. Seize my tomorrow. Learn my yesterday. I need to take these chances. Let all my feelings show. Can't tell what's waiting. Still, I need to go. I need to know.
Isn't she just amazing? Daring and bold and sure.